Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you some useful Windows 7 runbox commands. Now if you hold down your Windows key on your keyboard and you hit R, it's going to bring up your runbox. Now this is the list of commands that you can type in. There's many more, but these are just 7 that I just thought of real quick to do this video for. And the first one is msconfig. Now what msconfig brings up is pretty much your boot, pretty much like your boot screen or your boot options, your boot up options. So type in msconfig and you hit enter, and it's going to bring up this, and you have your general tab, your boot tab, your services tab, startup tab, and tool. Now your startup tab is where all your startup programs are. I've done a video about how to change these and whatnot. Services are just, you know, what's running right now. Boot is what's booting up and everything. How your system boots up. I have no GUI boot selected, so it boots up quicker. Then you have your general tab and everything, and then what you do is you just select whatever you want, and you hit apply, and then OK. But yeah, that's that. The next run command would be regedit. So once again, hit Windows R and type in regedit, regedit. This is going to bring up your registry, which is the backbone of your computer. You can come here and delete viruses manually from your computer. I've also done a video on this, so you can revert back to that if you need to. Okay, next is appdata, %appdata. Once again, hit Windows R. Come here and you want to type %appdata %, and hit enter. This is going to bring up your roaming file. Now your roaming file is where random apps are stored, or a lot of the apps on your file, or a lot of the apps on your computer are stored. You can come in here and clear these out. I'm going to clear a couple of them out while I'm here that don't need to be here, like Win Patrol and things like that. Yeah, so this is your roaming folder. This is where random apps are stored and whatnot. You can come in here and edit all these and do what you want to do. This is where a lot of your games will be stored, your game files and whatnot. So yeah, you can come here and check on that and whatnot. Anyway, that's that. So your next one would be CMD. Now you can pull up your control, or not your control panel, but your command prompt through your runbox. So you're going to hit Windows R again and type in CMD and hit enter. It's going to bring up your command prompt. Easy as that. Next is your control panel. You're going to hit Windows R again and type in control, and that's going to bring up your control panel. Easy as that, right? Next is appwiz.cpl. So let's hit Windows R, type in appwiz.cpl, hit enter, and that's going to bring up your programs and features tab, where you can delete stuff from your computer pretty much. So that's very useful if you want to get right to that without having to go through your control panel. Next will be your Notepad. Now probably a lot of you already know this. Let's hit Windows R and type in Notepad. That will of course bring up Notepad, and I'll put all these runbox shortcuts in the description so you can use them for yourself. These are just 7 useful ones. There's many more that we could list, but we'd be here all day. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, check out some of my other vids, and I'll see you next time. Later.